Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into the powerful concept of creating a vision for your goals. Whether you're striving for personal growth, career success, or some other achievement, having a clear vision can be the key to unlocking your true potential. So, let's begin. Section 1. Understanding the importance of a vision. Before we begin, let's understand why having a vision is so important. A vision acts as a roadmap, guiding you toward your goals and motivating you through challenging times. It helps you stay focused, make better decisions, and align your actions with your aspirations. Section 2. Identifying your core values. To create a vision for your goals, start by identifying your core values. Your values serve as the foundation for your vision, guiding you to what is truly important to you. Take some time to introspect and identify principles that resonate with your heart. Section 3. Defining your long-term goals. Now let's talk about defining your long-term goals. What do you want to achieve in the next 5, 10, or 20 years? Setting clear and specific goals provides direction to your vision and helps you create actionable steps to achieve them. Section 4. Visualizing your ideal future. Close your eyes and see your ideal future. What is it like? How are you feeling? Visualization is a powerful tool for bringing your dreams to life, and it can significantly affect your motivation and determination to reach your goals. Section 5. Writing your vision statement. With your core values, long-term goals, and visualization in mind, it's time to write your vision statement. Your vision statement should be a concise and compelling description of the future you envision, reflecting your aspirations and desires. Section 6. Setting short-term milestones. While a vision is essential for long-term guidance, establishing short-term milestones is equally critical. Break your long-term goals into small, achievable tasks. Celebrate each milestone as you move toward your vision. Section 7. Overcoming challenges. Along the way, you will face challenges and obstacles. Embrace them as opportunities to grow and learn. Be persistent, maintain a positive mindset, and remember why you started this journey in the first place. Section 8. Staying flexible. As you move toward your vision, be open to adapt and evolve. Life is dynamic and circumstances can change. Being flexible allows you to embrace new opportunities and adjust your approach while staying true to your core values and long-term goals. Section 9. Surrounding yourself with supportive people. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your vision and encourage your growth. Having a strong support system can lift your spirits during challenging times and motivate you to keep going. Section 10. Revisiting and revising your vision. Periodically revisit your vision statement and assess your progress. Celebrate your achievements and make any necessary adjustments to your goals or vision. Remember that personal growth and development are continuous journeys. Creating a vision for your goals is a transformative process that empowers you to consciously shape your future. Embrace your vision, believe in yourself, and take consistent action to make your dreams a reality. As always, thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, dream big and stay focused on your vision.